So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to view the most actively traded stocks on Google Finance. So once Google Finance is opened up, I want you to go to the Markets Trends tab right here, and then where it says most active, simply go ahead and press on that. So once you're on this screen, you're on the Explore Market Trend screen, and you're now viewing the most active stocks. So the stocks are funds with the highest trading volume in shares during the current trading session. So this will obviously change day by day, but if you wanted to view the most traded volume of stocks or funds within the day, you can go ahead and check it out for yourself. So you can go ahead and check out the stocks if you want, and basically the list is here right in front of you. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to view the most actively traded stocks on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.